Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. You really have two options here to get traffic to your affiliate marketing offers. You either have paid traffic or you have free traffic, but either way, you're creating content that answers questions that people are searching for. These questions are called keywords, and as you can see here on YouTube, I've typed in the question, best free funnel builder for affiliate marketing. YouTube then serves up paid traffic in the form of ads, and then when you scroll past that, you'll see the free traffic options, which are the videos that the content creators create, such as the video that you see here, how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing, which is my video. And if you keep scrolling down, you see the other options to include another video of mine that answers the question, the best free funnel builder for affiliate marketing. And when people see that video, they're going to click on it. Then as they watch that video, I'm going to answer their question, as well as put a link in the description that shows more videos to answer this question, as well as a link to actually sign up to build their free funnel today and how to get started with their own free funnel builder. And you can see the link right there that links to what at this time I think is the best free funnel builder for affiliate marketing. So you can see how easy that option is on YouTube, but the option still requires you to create the content. Then you either pay YouTube to post an ad for you on the search results page, or you create content and that content ranks, and it ranks by being helpful content that actually answers the question that people are asking. And this same strategy that you use on YouTube also works on Google. Here on Google, I ask how to create an email opt-in landing page in GrooveFunnels. As you can see, there's an ad for ClickFunnels, for Wix, for ActiveCampaign, for Unbounce, and then when you scroll down, you'll see the search results, which are videos, because Google understands that if somebody is asking how to create an email opt-in landing page, that they actually want to see how to do this. And there you can see how to create an email opt-in landing page in GrooveFunnels from 30 Minute Marketing. And of course, that's my video. And when someone clicks on it, they then watch the video to understand how to exactly create the opt-in landing page. And then of course, in the description, I have more information for them here. Of course, how to join GrooveFunnels and more videos to watch, as well as how they can start their own online business with a free traffic source by clicking on my link, which then takes them to a squeeze page where they can get unstuck with this free 12-step action plan for affiliate marketing that is only 2 clicks away. So now at this point, what you have to think is, you have to think, what is the best way for me to spend my time or my money? If you have the money to pay for ads, that's great, but don't forget, you still have to create the content. So in my opinion, the best way to go about this is actually utilizing the free traffic that is available by creating high quality, valuable content that actually answers the questions that people are looking for. This is a simple strategy. It's the strategy that I use here on this channel. It's the strategy that works. It's the strategy that's proven time and time again. And as I showed you here, the content that I create around these keywords, which are the questions that people are asking because they want to know how to do these things, show up and rank right alongside the paid traffic that other people are paying for. So while you have the two options of paid traffic or free traffic, I think you can see the best option you have here is to use your time wisely. Start learning and understanding how to create free content that actually answers the questions that people are asking on YouTube and on Google. And then you can get your content to rank. And as you see, people will go to your content and then you'll see the links in the descriptions. People will click on that content, and this is how you get traffic to your affiliate marketing offers and get people to click on your links and therefore actually earn commissions. If you'd like to learn more about how this free traffic strategy works, go ahead and click on the video you see on the screen right now. You're probably going to be pretty amazed how quick and easy this is to get started, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.